Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose. Now that you heard the hook, let me open the book. Come meet little Jamal, he's from a place called the Hood. Now Marley is only 6, but mama getting evicted. Daddy committed murder, so papa locked up in prison. He doesn't see the world for what it's really about. He gotta leave his mama, she overdosed on the couch. She couldn't handle the stress, she needed someone to help. Section 8 got denied and EBT bought the milk. So CPS comes, now Jamal's in the system. Now he's gotta be tough, cause nobody hugged and kissed him. These are critical years, I mean, he's 13. Watch the time fly by, the young kings in his teens. Put a gun in his hand, the only love he understands is the hurt. His daddy's never coming home, he wears mom on his shirt. He know the tears never help, so fuck it, why should he cry? He rolls a blunt, put his hands in the sky. Black boy, you could fly. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose. Lord, I pray you forgive us for the hate they're putting in us. Jamal met the police, they gave him a year in prison. Convicted of a felony, he was robbing for clothes. Now his voice doesn't matter, coming home he can't vote. The streets showed him love, so now he bang with the Bloods. He chuck his head in the air, the opposition is cuz. The homies gave him a gun, so now he feeding them slugs. Caught him a couple bodies, he move around like a thug. Jamal was caught slipping, cause niggas ain't perfect. Ambulance stretcher thinking, damn, was it worth it? His life flashes and he see his mama coming kissing her son. Said, baby, what you doing in these streets loading his guns? He told her all he wanted was a fair chance to be a kid. A mama and a daddy who would love him till he's big. She cried and told him, baby, follow me, you're coming home. This how the story of these young niggas goes. Curtain closed. Black rose,
What's going on? Good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose in the sky. Black rose, black rose. Black rose, black rose, black rose, black rose.
What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host tonight, Lando Success. I hope all is well. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We got a good one for you. But before we do, we have to get some housekeeping out the way. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment that help out the YouTube algorithm. Shout out to Moomoo. If you don't have your free stocks, all you have to do is click the link in the bio, or I have it in the comments where you can go ahead, sign up. You get you some free stocks from signing up, free stocks for depositing some money. It is definitely worth it in my opinion. And we do have the Patreon set up and running. You can get signed up with the link in the bio, $20, and you get up to date information every single day. I'm showing people how to build a strong crypto portfolio, strong stock portfolio, stuff I don't talk about on YouTube. You have full access to it right here, and we are starting with a small amount, just showing people the right habits and what you need. We're going to have a few guest speakers come on this month to give you guys some games. So definitely, if you're interested, click the link in the bio. Get signed up for that. So we got a few things we need to talk about. First thing, let's talk about sales. Let me say that again. First thing, let's talk about Salesforce. Salesforce been dominating over the last day. Nobody expected them to have this type of growth with their earnings report. So let's check this out real quick. So the earnings report right here say Salesforce announced strong first quarter 2023 results. Now, here go the highlights. You got first quarter revenue of $7.4 billion, up 24% year over year in constant currency. Current remaining performance obligation of $21.5 billion, up 21%. First quarter operation cash flow of $3.68 billion, up over 14%. Then they got their revenue guidance is 7.69 to 7.70, and everything just looking very, very good. This is one of the best days they done had in a long time. So the CEO said, we had another great quarter delivering $7.4 billion in a revenue, and there is no greater measure of our resilience and the momentum in our business than the $42 billion we have in a remaining performance obligation, representing all future revenue under contract. While delivering incredible growth at scale, we committed to consistent margin expansion and cash flow growth as part of our long-term plan to drive both top and bottom line performance. Our financials result once again demonstrate the strength and durability excuse my voice, of our business model as we continue to see strong demand from customers across the entire customer 360 portfolio, said Brett Taylor, the co-CEO of Salesforce. Salesforce has been even more strategic and relevant to our customers, and we are providing them with the agility and resilience they need to drive the growth and efficiency in the uncertain times. So if you look at it, they talked about what's going on, what's popping, how good their numbers are doing. And if you even go to the market watch, you see it say Salesforce stocks logged the best day in nearly 2 years after earning call. Major relief for tech investors. So that's great news for tech investors to see that their share price completely jumped up like that. Look at it, went from $162 to $181 in a day. That's one of the largest increases they have had in a long time. You see, this is a great opportunity. But, I still, what goes up sometimes do come down. And when you have a bad market, it could kind of sucks when you have a great earnings, because if somebody else come out with a bad earnings the next day, it literally wipes all of that excitement away real quick. So you got to be careful and make sure you watch and check out on that. Have you guys seen that Chipotle will now be accepting cryptocurrency in U.S. stores? This is left field, came out of nowhere. I have no idea where did this come at. It says Chipotle, the popular Mexican-style fast food restaurant chain, will now accept cryptocurrency payment through Flexa, a digital payment platform. Flexa supports around 98 currencies, including BTC and ETH. Customers can use the app to pay for their food items in nearly 3,000 Chipotle restaurants in the United States. To pay with Flexa, customers need to download Gemini or is that Spending app, both store digital assets. Customers can use the app and tap in store to make a payment. Chipotle joins a long list of restaurants that currently accept cryptocurrency. Subway, one of the first to accept Bitcoin in stores, started as early as 2013. I never went to a Subway and somebody was offering that I can pay in Bitcoin. I never seen that, so I wonder what country that is in. Pizza Hut in Venezuela also began accepting crypto back in 2020. Starbucks, like Chipotle, accepts cryptocurrency as payments through Flexa. Our other fast food chains are trying to experiment in blockchain and crypto in other ways. trying to create a hybrid digital physical experiences. Taco Bell, KFC, Chick-fil-A, Carl's, few other to name. Chipotle was even earlier to the virtual store trend with a virtual restaurant on Roblox for Halloween in 2021. Players could dress up their avatars in Chipotle-themed costumes, like using a bag of chips as a ghost or burrito mummy. In this experiment, the first 100,000 users get a free burrito online, which can be redeemed for the real ones in the physical store. Very, very interesting. That is some dope news. So next, let's check out good old cryptocurrency, see how everything is doing right now. We had a quick drop when I was recording that video earlier. It was going down as I was recording. So you see crypto was down literally 5% with the whole market. Bitcoin is back under 30,000, down 6% in the last day. Racing all those gains down close to the red in the last week. You see Ethereum is well under 2,000, close to 1,800 now. Cardano is down close to 6%, but they are still up 10%. Cardano people still been buying no matter what. We have Solana is back under $40. Oh my God, Solana is getting beat up bad right now, down 12%. It got to be a reason why Solana is down so far, man. 12% in a day, down 17 in the last week. Looks like an opportunity if you ask me. Avalanche down 10%. That's great. I wish it did that before I bought me some Avalanche. We got Kronos down 5%. Not too bad, down to 17 cents. FTX down 6%. Algorand down 7%. They're down a lot. ApeCoin is about to get ready to hit that $5 and something mark. Did it hit it with this recent drop? Let's see. Came real close to it. Real close, but didn't hit it. Close, but no potatoes. Axie Infinity down 10%. Jeez. It's a lot of opportunity. The question is, how long will it stay down? Stepping. Oh, man. GMT is down 16%, under $1. Stepping literally can't catch a break no matter what they do, man. They are getting destroyed, down 30% the last week. And they was getting a little bit of momentum for a hot second, man. And this just completely destroyed their little momentum that they were having. Man, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. So that's what we have for the top 100 coins. And when we look at the stock market surprised people with being down today. You had the Dow down, I think, only 100 points. And they say the futures are dropping down a little bit more. So it's kind of a consistent, slow, a slow decrease going down right now. Not too bad. I've seen worse, but, it's hard out here for a PIMP. With the market, NASDAQ went down. Amazon is the only one holding up, man. They know they got the stock splits, the stock split coming. So it's hyping people up so they can take our money. Soon as people start buying in for the split, that's when things get real and the prices start dropping. Tesla still, holding up from where it was last week. Tesla was well under $700, close to $630 a week ago. So about a week ago. But at 740, that's still technically doing good right now. Always make sure you have a good buy-in mark on Tesla. With the Patreon, I'm going to show people my game plan with buying in on Tesla, because that's one we are definitely going to be looking into. What's going on? Let me say what's up to everybody that's in here. Bienvenidos. Welcome, everybody. I hope all is well. We doing a late night one. We are kicking it Drop exclusive bomb for yourself. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Help out the YouTube algorithm. Nothing wrong with that. And I don't like how my camera, I hate how my camera be sitting sideways. There we go. A little bit better. The worst is like when you see like a little lean, like it's on a little gangster lean. Don't like a gangster lean, but you don't notice it until you start recording. What else is going on in the market? Thanks for that like, whoever just hit it. So I actually just signed. I did a new deal. I actually go on. Let me see if I can log in right here. I did a new deal with a company. Actually, I'll tell y'all about it once I get the link in the bio and all that stuff. And I want to do a overview with them soon. Let's see. Did I change my password right here? So, did y'all see AMC shares completely went down like crazy? And it was crazy. Was interesting about it is that, you know, the shares fell 10%, but Top Gun was a big hit. Everybody was, you know, excited, went to go see it. Let me know if you went to go see Top Gun. I personally didn't go see it. I tried to convince my wife last night, but, you know, because it was a late movie. It was 11:10. We had no kid. And I'm going to fall asleep in there. So I wanted to go by my damn self. Should have dropped off at home and went. Let me know in the comments if it was good. A day after toting how much the release of the new Tom Cruise blockbuster, Top Gun Maverick, contributed to its strong Memorial Day weekend, AMC Entertainment Holdings was back in familiar meme stock territory. On a Wednesday, AMC fell more than 10% on the day on a no discernible news directly involving the movie theater chain AMC has acted like a meme stock for the better part of the past year. Voice be going in and out. Don't fail me now, voice. Don't fail me now. See, this happens when you do so many videos. Chris, wow, this is awesome. You are welcome. Chris, you are welcome. All right, on May 27th, shares posted their biggest one-day percentage gain in months when they rose 18% in advance of record-breaking weekend. The Top Gun said Tuesday with Maverick leading the weekend activity, more than 4 million people went to see a movie at one of its U.S. theaters. Jeez, and more than 1 million attended a screening at one of the company's international locations. So it's like, that's great. It did all of that, but look at AMC stock. AMC stock didn't react too good. So I want to know, what's that about? Thanks for that like, whoever just did it. See? You see the stock still end up going down. It's like, not a good thing for my AMC holders, which is me. I'm an AMC holder also too. Yoder say congrats on the 18K. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Will even be better at landing page done. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for 18,000 subscribers. It's an amazing feeling, but I am not satisfied. I want 20K, so I'm dropping content nonstop. We are getting more subscribers. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button so we can shoot past 19K and go right to 20. 20, we going to pop a bottle. We got some tequila already ready for it. We going to celebrate, have some fun. But, you know, we just got to keep on doing the work. Keep on grinding. Can't do it without you guys. So I really, really appreciate y'all for real. For real, for real. For real, for real. Let's see what's going on in the crypto world. New assets, flexible savings on Binance. South Korea man arrested for allegedly stealing crypto based on personal data. Bitcoin and Ethereum mining revenue crashes to new lows. Crypto market reversal course after strong start to the week. Yeah, low dead cat bounce. Crypto Fuds. What are they and how can you avoid them? This is going to be a funny article. Crypto Fuds are fear, uncertain and doubtful claims circulating to fight crypto assets. They are a marketing strategy used to make something seem worse than it is. Cryptocurrencies are not the first of the victim of FUDs, but are among the most affected ones at the moment. While it's true that cryptocurrencies are risky investment vehicles, some of the claims that are circulating about the nature are not accurate. FUDs can be investigated by anybody and circulated by almost any communication means, including large organizations like corporations, media house, and governmental bodies. Through example of crypto FUDs. Let's see. Crypto is a bubble that will burst. This is a claim. Somebody will say that it's fool's gold. In reality, cryptocurrencies has been around for over a decade now, and they ain't going nowhere. Crypto have no real value. Claim. The reality, it have a lot of real value depending on what type of crypto are you talking about. Crypto assets are used for legal business. Cash is used for legal business. Cryptos will be dwarfed by quantum computing. How different. So that's a great article for people. I like that. Good article, good stuff. What my brother Will Yoder just said. Yoder said, how big do you think the pump will be for all gold when the World Cups happen? Not big. The reason being way before it will pump. But usually when you expect cryptocurrency to go hard to, do exactly what you want it to do, it don't work like that. Like, for example, when the Super Bowl, we had the Crypto Bowl. We just knew crypto was just going to pump and go crazy during the Super Bowl, right? And it's just crypto don't work like that. So the World Cup is going to be the same way, probably 2 days before. So if you're swing trading, you really just need to sell on the spike a few days before. But the day of the event probably will stay the same or crash, in my opinion. Should I invest in cryptocurrencies? No, leave the money for us, the real players. Cardano's price frustrates investors as bears step in with confidence. The thing about Cardano, no matter what the price is, people just keep on buying. No matter how high it go, how low it go, people just buying and literally holding. So it don't matter what really happened. Now I want to know what's going on with Solana, because Solana is getting beat up like heavy right now, like big time. Solana price analyst is showing bearish signs today as price dropped heavily, recording a 9% decline over the past 24 hours. Solana showed some promise after dropping to $40 on May 27th, as it seemed form a steady increment towards its resistance at $50. However, the ninth biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap faced another rejection around the 48 mark. Price could now be headed towards lower 38. People doing a lot of buying. See what my Patreon member. Shout out to that brother. You supposed to be in here. He on Patreon learning the game since we started already in there. If you're not in the Patreon, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the bio. Get signed up. I am showing people. It's honestly, to be 100% honest, It's literally the best time to get involved with crypto crashing. Oh my gosh, I bought some crypto today, showed everybody what I bought, and tomorrow I'm going to be explaining why I bought it and how we're going to increase our position. So today was mainly, this is how you start a position with your cryptocurrency. So every single day I'm going to educate people, and then we're going to move over to the stock side and we're going to have it pop in. How you liking MEX Global? So I just did my first video with them today. So if you guys haven't checked it out already, go on that video, go like it, make sure you leave a comment and support that. So basically the deal with them is they've been in my DM for a while wanting me. So here go the video right here. MEX Global Review Crypto Exchange, is MEXC worth it? So they've been on my head for a while asking me to, do some affiliate stuff with them. And I didn't know if the company was legit. After doing some research and looking them up, they're freaking amazing. And it's just, since they're more of an international based company, they're all around the world. They don't have a strong presence in the US. And once I looked at and seen and their options of what you can do, it's like a crypto exchange on steroids. Your ability to do spot trading, to do margins, more cryptocurrencies than anybody, So if you really want to buy something that you can't find anywhere else, you can get it on there. They have the launch pad where you can literally see cryptocurrency projects before they get available to the public. They let you buy in at a smaller price. So if you guys interested in MEXC, all you have to do is click the link in the bio under crypto. I have it under there. Get signed up with my link. You get some money when you do some deposit and all that type of stuff. Now, MEX, their price, to be honest, I'm very shocked. I had no idea, like, we'll do CoinGecko. Most coin exchanges, I just don't really mess with. Like, I like Crow and stuff. I don't mess with too many other ones. But when I just looked at their price chart, it's like, yo, this is very, very good. Like, I'm very surprised. You started at about 13 cents, and this is in 2019. Usually you'll do this jump right here, then this one, and it would just flatten out, jump a little bit, and just stay down. But just looking at this chart tell you it's been a lot of trading volume, a lot of growth. The people behind the team know what they're doing. So this is a token that I will honestly have no problem owning. And especially since they're about to be on the team paying a player, with affiliate stuff. We need some sponsor videos. So MEXC, if y'all watching this, your boy need a sponsor video. The affiliate videos is cool, but the sponsors, when I put a little bit more umph into it. Where's their coin circulation? Okay. Do they have it on Coinbase so I can see my stuff? Let's see. MX. Come on, please be over here so I can see some numbers. There we go. All right, their coin circulation is 100 million of them things, which is amazing because it's not nowhere close to a billion. So that's good. All-time high $3.70. So you're well under 50% from that. They don't say the typical hold time on this one, but yeah, I believe that's a good coin to have in your back pocket, especially if you use their platform. Yes. Well, watch the video and go like it. I appreciate you, my brother. Appreciate it. What's going on with y'all? Did y'all buy anything today? The crypto I bought today, I think I bought some. I bought a lot. I bought well over 10 different coins. And it's really just for the Patreon to set a position. So I bought the main stuff, the Cardano, the Solana, Gala, Sandbox, Mutable X. Switched it up on y'all. Hedera, One. I got some of the good stuff today. You got to stay buying, man. You got to stay buying. If you're not buying, you are lying, player. Make sure you guys hit that like button as you come in. And I bought some Engine price analysis. Engine bulls hard. Bulls hard works pay off. Consistency is still required. What they talking about? The trading volume is at a gain of 91% in the last 24 hours. Engine is a project of Engine, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. The coin is unique in that every token minute with Engine platform is directly backed by Engine, giving it their games is real-world liquidity. The coin was facing a downtrend over the graph since the end of March, but now the coin is making green move forward doing traditional crypto like Bitcoin. Look at that good trading volume, bear domination, technical indicators. Do you guys be honest, do y'all like the technical charts? Because I watch so many channels and they would just talk about charts and lines and bears and all that type of stuff, candlesticks. I decided to make my channel not being about that. I'm like, it's too many nerdy channels where you could talk about that. I'm more of a dumbed down channel. Just let you know, is it a good coin? Yes, no, maybe so. Keep it simple where anybody can come to my channel and understand what's going on. Polygon bulls are back to the market. Price surge 16.16%. I doubt if it's there right now. Factors responsible for low response of Shipt community. Shipt, man, is completely all the way down, man. It's no hype, man. In a bearish market and a recession, meme coins won't last. Shiba remains one of the most rewarding altcoins in recent times. Irresponsible for crypto winter in recent months that saw many cryptocurrency lose most of its previous gains. The return of investments on Shipt stands at this percentage according to CoinMarketCap. That means initial investors are having that much for each $1 investment. Make that and break that down in English. The rise led to the strong positive sentiment towards the altcoin Shiba, in which some quarters called the Doge killer. Okay, the launch of this to some factor. Okay, here we go. Some factors that could be responsible for the low response of the Shiba community to the Shiba Inu burn each platform include the Shiba community was disappointed and with Shiba recent performance. Nobody, like, you clapping or you just boo, you guys are not going up. Okay, I don't know, we crossed that one out. The inability of Shiba to rise after listing on Robinhood. Okay, now I can give it some of that. People like, okay, it's going to list on Robinhood. And I did a video and told everybody, I literally did a video and told people absolutely nothing is going to happen. And people was in my comments mad at me. Lando, you don't know what the hell you talking about. Shiba, Robinhood. Lando. See, did I do? Well, I did one. It's somewhere in here. But yeah, man, I did a video about it. People ain't like it. I told people it's going to happen. The low impact of the launch of the Shiba Inu metaverse platform on the price of Shiba. they completely failed on this move right here. For them to list Shiba, well, for them to do a metaverse and not have the main utility token Shiba, that was the biggest L you could have did. They're like, all right, we're going to use Bone and we're going to use Leash. Like, that wasn't the smartest freaking deal. So, yeah, good luck with that one of my Shiba people. Good luck with it. Do what I said in my last video. You'll be okay. FTX founder signs billionaires giving pledge. How the father and son were arrested for running a drug business with Bitcoin. Dang, father and son arrested. GameStop reports 76.9 and proceeds from sales of digital assets in the first quarter. Cardano ignites notable bounce as ADA development activity surges. Bitcoin whales have been buying the BTC dip. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. I like it. So what I'm going to do is record some more videos I have to go ahead and do. I got to do Salesforce video and a few more videos that I will post later on. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. My Twitter is Lando Success. You can go ahead, follow me on there. I follow people back. Just go ahead, put it Lando Success. What they talking about on Twitter? I ain't saying nothing about crypto. What's this? Wallets came today. Ledger. And I'm trying to sign a deal with Ledger, but they've been in everybody else's DMs. I gotta produce some more content or something. Oh, did Brady and Aaron Rodgers win? Uh-oh. Don't tell me they didn't win. The GOAT beat Patrick Mahomes. It was Patrick Mahomes and who was it? Patrick Mahomes and Josh Allen. Nice putt. Eli Manning draining 20 foot. What? Eli. Let's go. Man, I should have watched this. This looked fun. The best duo ever. Thomas, Patrick, Andrew is going to put my job in a hole. Next on Undisputed. Oh, no. I love it. I love it. So, yeah, I appreciate you, beautiful people. I'm about to record some more videos, provide more content. Thank you for the 18,000 subscribers. And if you haven't did it already, got the Patreon link in the bio. Talk to you guys soon.